Do you want to escape poverty? Then look no further, because in this video you will learn about the things you should be aware of to escape poverty. Welcome to EM3 Financial Freedom Strategies, where you learn how to manage your time and money to achieve financial freedom. Without further ado, let's get started. Secret number 1. Entrepreneurs aren't born but cultivated. Just like any other person, entrepreneurs do their necessary routines like eating and sleeping. They also make mistakes, big and small. Yet, why are entrepreneurs looked at as if there's something special about them? The thing is, entrepreneurs have different mindsets. Failure to them is just another step on the way up. Changes to them are as natural as breathing. People sometimes forget that these qualities weren't present the day they were born. Instead, they were trained into their bones. Therefore, being an entrepreneur is possible for everybody, not only for a select few. Secret number 2. Look for problems, not money. We get it. We already have many problems to work with, enough to gain headaches. However, if you want to escape poverty, you don't really look for money. What you look for are problems. You seek these problems, make solutions, and then sell them. This way, money will come to you instead. Look at the businesses existing right now, especially the huge ones. For example, Amazon. Amazon helps people look for the products they want. People have more chances of finding something they want from there rather than going to physical stores one by one. They help save time and make shopping more convenient. How about you? What problem will your business solve? Secret number 3. Saving is great, but not as great as investing. Saving your earnings after a hard day's work is better than you spending it. What's better than saving, though, is investing. When you save, you set aside a particular amount of money from your income each month. Your goal while investing, on the other hand, is to generate returns that are significantly higher than those of a savings account. This was done to fulfill a variety of short and long-term financial goals, such as purchasing a car or making plans for further education, while also aiming to beat inflation and build wealth. Secret number 4. Don't get fooled by assets acting like liabilities. Assets are indeed really good to have. What's not good, however, is getting an asset that turns out to be a liability. Suppose there's this cheap property somewhere. You didn't have any second thoughts and then purchased it because you plan to use it as a rental property. Later on, you found out that no one wants to rent it. You keep paying taxes and bills just so that the house will remain functional. After a while, you found out that the property is susceptible to disasters while also having frequent outages. The lesson here is, if you're going to purchase an asset, make sure to know all the details regarding what you're buying. Secret number 5. Higher income does not mean you get the pass to live luxuriously. When you're starting to earn a lot, that does not mean that you should start spending on luxury. Although many things in your life will improve with higher income, that does not mean that you should start upping your spending. Some people get carried away when they earn so much money. They start buying stuff that can show their status to others, be it expensive cars and jewelry. This might become a habit, and when people lose track of their spending, there's a possibility that they'll be pulled again toward the cycle of poverty. Secret number 6. You are an investment. Investments are not just exclusive to building businesses, purchasing properties, and etc. You can also be your investment. If you were watching our previous videos, there are times we mentioned that learning skills, accumulating experience, and building knowledge are valuable assets. These assets in turn will be your fuel towards success. Secret number 7. The people around you can be an investment. Other than yourself, other people can be an investment as well. Investment does not have to come in monetary form, but time instead. If you spend time creating connections with people who are also seeking to improve themselves, then there will be more opportunities for you as well. When you're looking for news, you can ask them. If you want to start a business group, you can approach them. You're not the only one who wants to escape poverty after all, so it's not so bad to work as a team. Secret number 8. Don't be afraid of trial and error. In many cases, the only way you can really learn is via trial and error. You give yourself the opportunity to think things through, make adjustments, and try again when you make a mistake or fail at something. Over the course of your life, repeating this procedure will teach you how to effectively learn more about your environment and deal with a wide range of issues. So if you want something like a long-lasting chicken recipe, then formulate your own by looking at which works and which doesn't. Secret number 9. If you're going to start a business, look for a business with a high success rate. If you're looking to start your business, then consider the success rates of existing businesses. There are many statistics concerning the success and failure rates of many kinds of businesses online. If you want to minimize your losses, then this is something you can do. If you want to know more, you can check out one of our videos on our channel about businesses with high success rates, and hopefully you'll get an idea from there. Secret number 10. Earn money through passive income. Passive income may arrive in increments, meaning your monthly earnings from passive income sources might not be that big. But if you create more sources of passive income, it will accumulate to a considerable degree. You might get surprised to see significant cash flows without even putting in so much effort. Therefore, if you have the opportunity to keep building passive income sources, then keep doing so. Number 11. You earn to build. Some people say that you earn money so you can spend it. Sure, you do spend it, but where you're spending it is just as important as earning money. If you choose to use your money to further build your business, then you're putting yourself in a position where you'll get a comfortable retirement. Secret number 12. Make sure you earn at least thrice the amount you spend. This is very important, especially if you want to escape poverty. In connection to number 11, you keep using your earnings to build your business until you earn so much your spending can't keep up. This will give you financial freedom, a quality desired by many. If you keep this up, you won't have to worry too much about your budget. Secret number 13. Don't make debts you can't pay off. This part of the list seems obvious, but also one of the pitfalls many people fall into. If you're having debt, always make sure you can pay it. Otherwise, it will serve as an anchor that will make your ship coursing toward wealth stuck. Before you continue making yourself rich, paying back debts is always a priority. Thus, make sure to not make any debts you can't pay off. In advance, you should even prevent putting yourself in a state that will force you to fall into debt, such as gambling and neglecting your health. If you want to escape poverty, there are many things you should remember. Hopefully, this video helped you on your path to wealth. Feel free to comment down below and share with us your thoughts. If you liked our content, you're welcome to check out our other videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, it means a lot. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.